Okay, so one more time on this. So what I'm doing is testing two of these Insta360 cameras. On my left is the X5, on my right is the X4, both with as close as I can standard settings. So we're doing 4K, 30 frames per second, using only a single camera, the one that's facing me, so they are not in the 8K 360 mode. I've got them in manual exposure as much as I can, so 1/60th of a second on the shutter speed on both, maximum ISO of 1600, auto white balance set on both. And for lighting, I've got two LED lights here above me. Should be set at 52 or 5300 Kelvin coming out of those. This one with a small Chinese lantern reflector, and the other one here just a small parabolic translucent dome on that one. I can see, looking at the screen, slightly different, probably a third or half of a stop, at least on the screens from what I can see. You can see the only other light in the room is a little bit of ambient, but also this daylight pouring in from the stairwell open window. So we can see, and right now will isolate the Insta360 X5 audio. So this is being shot or the audio going into the X5. So I'm not sure how well you can hear it, what we'll see during the test. And right now, I'll isolate the X4's audio, again, straight into camera from its internal microphones, so no external microphones being used. So I'm gonna cut this video and take a look on screen. Okay, so we're back now. I had the two side by side. Right now, I've just got the X5, same setup, except I've got an external DJI mic mini connected to it as well. So pretty surprising results. And I'll flash up some, bigger blow-ups of the X5 and then the X4. But what I was seeing on the screen during the preview of putting those two clips together, pretty stark difference in noise control. So it looks like the X5, not only was it probably a half stop brighter between the two of them, but also significantly less noise in the shadows. And even, although it's not bright in here at all by any means, so pretty tough for just about any camera except a really higher end full frame that's pulling in a lot more light. Very surprising just in this pretty simple setup. So I'll be curious to see what your thoughts are. Is it one better than the other? Clearly, the X5 for noise control and dimly lit situations. And again, I probably should have been clear, that was not in any of the night view modes or pure view on this. So just standard 4K 30 frames per second, 1/60th of a shutter, max of 1600 ISO. And again, I'll go back and forth, try to highlight some of those areas, especially in the X4, thought were extremely noisy. And I thought the X5 file was actually pretty clean. So, hey, thanks for watching. I'll tag this on to the end of those and upload this here shortly. Thanks.